Ever wished you could quickly chop up that perfect audio snippet without firing up your computer? Today, we are diving into how to trim audio directly on your Android device, step by step. First, you'll need an audio editing app. Head over to the Google Play Store. I recommend Lexis Audio Editor. It's free, powerful, and easy to use. Search for it, then tap install. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Alright, now that Lexis Audio Editor is open, tap the Open button to find the audio file you want to trim. This will bring up your device's file browser. Navigate to the location of your audio file. Whether it's in your Downloads, Music folder, or anywhere else, tap on the file to import it into Lexis Audio Editor. You should now see the audio waveform. To trim the beginning, tap and drag the left selection handle to the point where you want your audio to start. Similarly, drag the right selection handle to where you want the audio to end. Everything between these handles is what you'll keep. Once you're happy with your selection, tap the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or lines, and select Trim. This will delete everything outside your selected area. Finally, tap the menu icon again and select Save or Save As to save your trimmed audio file. Give it a new name so you don't overwrite the original, and that's it. You've successfully trimmed audio on your Android device. Now you can quickly edit audio on the go. Whenever inspiration strikes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Android tips.